Welcome to the Shortwave radio channel, and I'm having fun tonight with different radios. I took out this the PL680. I haven't used it a lot. Plugged it in on the ML830, so the wire, the connector wire here. And of course I'm on Trenton Military, Ontario.
Altimeter 2901. Break. Repeating aviation weather. Repeating aviation weather. Shearwater. Shearwater. No report received. Break. Greenwood. Greenwood. Time 2300 Zulu. Wind 300 at 10. Gust 17. Wind variable between 270 and 330.
And of course, playing around. So we got this one here on the ML830.
1,500 overcast. Temperature 2. Dew point 0. Altimeter 2911. Break.
So we got the SDR, which is the on the screen here, which is the famous SDR Play network radio. So it's right here with the ML830. And of course we have our lovely Mr. Paul the Cat that is cleaning himself and enjoying radio with me. And of course we go to
Time 2300 Zulu. Wind 320 at 14. Gust 21. Visibility 2. Light snow.
it's interesting because
Overcast. Temperature
I get it on all of these radios right now. But what I notice is that Kenwood R5000 seems to have a little edge here on this signal on 6754 Trenton Military in Ontario, Canada, and upper sideband. So it's kind of cool to play around with these radios.
00 Zulu. Wind 300 at 1.
And going back to the original here, going back to
270 and 330. Visibility 5. Light rain showers. Ceiling 1,500 overcast. Temperature 2. Dew point 0.
Pal is sneezing on me.
2911.
So having fun with radio tonight, and Paul the Cat just sneezing now. Hey Paul, everybody likes. So more videos coming up.